Some areas like this, residential places where we'll come out here 7 o'clock in the morning and people are still sleeping. They don't want to be hearing that loud noise. And we've had complaints before, you know, and there's certain areas where we can't come out until a certain time because of the noise. Well, with the upgrade that they did on these drills where it's not as loud, I think we will have less complaints from our community. It's easier for my operator to hear me when I need to talk to him. He can definitely hear me. It's a nice improvement. I'd like for actually all the drills to be that quiet if they could be. It's real nice to get into, you know, tight areas, tight spaces, especially in these intersection boards that we do.
We're excited about the new 1015 product. It's going to take the place of the 913. 913 was a very good machine, but the updates they've made to the 1015, so we're excited about that product being rolled out.
The 913 I ran, it was a good drill also. Had trouble once we got out to like 300 feet, 200 feet, but this one has shown a lot more improvement. Of course, the 300 feet won't shoot it out and we have no problems. It's actually the perfect amount of rods for that drill. Rotation power is definitely improved. The torque power, the pushing, just the drill itself, you can feel when you're running it, it's just a lot smoother. Tracking, yeah, it's improved. I like, how quick it moves, definitely a plus. If somebody were to ask me to buy that drill, I'd say definitely. Go ahead and put your money down and buy that drill. It's very useful, helpful. It's gonna get you out of any situation that you have. It's a definitely must do. I don't think anything will get in my way with that drill. Nothing's gonna stop me.